Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Savvy Outdoors cooler backpack on the market, the HAWGON Insulated Cooler Backpack. If you love spending time outdoors, whether it's hiking, camping, a day at the beach, or just needing a reliable cooler for your daily lunch, this backpack promises to deliver convenience, durability, and performance all wrapped into one. Right out of the gate, the HAWGON Cooler Backpack stands out with its sleek and practical design. Crafted from glossy nylon combined with aluminum and cotton, it's not only lightweight but also built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. At just 16 ounces, it's easy to carry without weighing you down, which is ideal for longer adventures or daily commutes. What really makes this backpack a top contender is its insulation technology. The cooler compartment is fully insulated and waterproof, designed to keep your food and drinks cold or hot for up to 12 hours. This means whether you're packing sandwiches, drinks, or snacks, they stay fresh and at the perfect temperature for half a day. The backpack's leak-proof lining ensures that any condensation or melted ice won't soak through, keeping the rest of your belongings safe and dry. The storage capacity is impressive too. It comfortably fits up to 30 cans, which makes it perfect for group outings or longer trips where you want to carry enough refreshments. Beyond the main insulated compartment, the backpack features multiple additional pockets, a front pocket and two side pockets, to organize your essentials like utensils, napkins, keys, or even a small towel. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The backpack features an ergonomic design with padded shoulder straps and a cushioned back panel to reduce strain on your shoulders and back. The adjustable straps allow you to customize the fit, making it comfortable for different body types and ensuring stability while you're on the move. Durability is key for any outdoor gear, and the HAWGON Cooler Backpack delivers here as well. The fabric is tear-resistant and water-resistant, giving you peace of mind in various weather conditions. Whether you're caught in light rain or walking through wet grass, your gear stays protected. From a functionality standpoint, this backpack is versatile. It's equally suited for a picnic in the park, a day fishing by the lake, or as a reliable lunch companion for work. Its compact, soft-sided design means it's easier to store or pack away when not in use, unlike bulky hard coolers. To summarize, the HAWGON Insulated Cooler Backpack combines style, durability, and excellent insulation in a lightweight, portable package. Its thoughtful design caters to outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, promising a reliable way to keep your food and drinks at the right temperature while on the go. If you're looking for a cooler backpack that offers great value, solid performance, and convenience for your outdoor adventures or daily routine, this might just be the one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.